Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I'm promised that you.
What's good, BJ Squad? It's your girl B, and I'm back with another freaking banger. Okay, guys, y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see what's about to go down. Your girl is about to get Jason with the honking prank. I think it's called honking prank. Like, what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna put a sign. Like, I already got my sign and everything. I got my tape, I got me a marker. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put a sign on the back of the car, and I'm gonna be like, honk for good luck, or like, honk, it's my birthday. Like, I don't know which way I want to go. I think I'm gonna go with honk for good luck. I feel like I get more people reaction if I say honk for good luck or whatever. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put it on the car or whatever, and I want to see his reaction. Like, Jason is like a calm driver. Like, he don't drive too fast, he don't drive too reckless. So if people be just like dry honking at him, guys, he's gonna be so mad. So I'm gonna put it on the car, and I'm gonna just see like what's gonna be his reaction or whatever. I'm gonna see like how this gonna go down over there. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe to our channel, turn that post notifications, especially be notified when we drop these bangers. But before I go, guys, get into the drip. Get into the drip, guys. Drama clothing, man, is coming soon. Like, y'all make sure y'all tune in. It's coming soon, guys. I'm trying to just keep on looking at it. It's coming soon, guys. Like, it's gonna be in the description. Y'all let me know if y'all messing with it, man. But like, I'm finna get into the video. Let's go. Okay, guys, I did the sign. This is how I look. Honk for good luck. I had to put it under the camera, cause like I got a camera on my car, so I had to put it under the camera in case he like reverse. But like, how I'ma do this? I'ma pull up like I'm coming from somewhere or whatever. And I told him I was gone. He think I'm probably still gone. So I'ma pull up and just be like, let's go get something to eat or whatever. I'ma call him and be like, let's go get something to eat. We're finna get his reaction. Hey. Okay, guys. So I'm pulling up, and I'm finna hunt for him to come outside. So let's get to the video. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe to our channel, turn that post notification bell so you can be notified when we drop these bangers. Let's go. Sanitizer out on me. I'm not sure. No, you gotta buy me some. Oh. It's hot. And the bee. I'm coming straight up out the dirt. Right. Huh?
See what's going down.
Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Jay.
It's your boy Jamie.
Yeah. Oh. Come on now. So yeah, we about to do a little vlog. Like, y'all about to go get something to eat. What we about to do?
that is? They looking at me for I wasn't even doing that.
Oh, you about to hit the Jason?
No, I'm not. Trying to see who that is honking that up. I can't see that on camera.
My nail, oh my God.
You sitting up here biting on your nail while I'm driving and holding the camera, hollering at Jason like I'm the problem. You just gave me that camera while I was driving.
My fault, my fault. I'm trying to get a good lighting of this.
Trying to see what I do with it. I'm digging, man.
I'm not probably because the light was green.
Yeah, turn it with the light was green.
Oh, that's a little bad lightning right there. No gap.
I can't drive with this shit.
See, but hey, hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get some good lightning. I can't even get.
Good lighting, babe.
Huh?
Lighting, you said lightning.
I mean lighting. It's my tongue, my tooth.
But I ain't gonna let you be on camera sounding crazy. You know, we represent, we're a unit, so.
Yeah, true.
You look pretty though.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No lashes at all.
I ain't got no lashes on. Lashes on, I'm still good. Yeah, he gonna put me on 1,000. If I feel like I'm on 10, he gonna put me on 1,000. If your man don't do that, he ain't your man. I'm trying to get it.
I'm just saying, don't let the viewers and you know, people we trying to entertain be the reason why I wreck your car. And then you be blaming me.
Yeah.
I'm like, well, you had the camera in the side.
I'm still on my nail. Like I really just hurt my nail. Guys, like, ooh, I need some lashes. I need some lashes. That boy, ooh, that boy look good, y'all. That look good.
What you trying to eat?
Huh?
What you trying to eat?
I don't know.
You making a separate vlog from a video we made already. Go ahead and promote your brand on the vlog now too.
Oh yeah, y'all see the vibes.
I don't know what you got going on.
Drama clothing, man. I can't see it that good. Let me get yours.
Mine gonna be better.
I mean, I can get you.
Gonna be better drama, man.
Y'all see the vibes,
Trick
man.
the drama.
Drama clothing. Do right accomplishment, accomplishments, man. Coming
Changing
soon.
that meaning, man. Changing that meaning, man. Y'all make sure y'all rock with us and support us.
Yeah, I heard them.
Support the brand.
Support the brand.
Shout out book brand clothing, man. Come through, let us get our shirts made, couple samples made. You know what I'm saying? I made my own shirt. For
It's the looks for me.
There you go.
Daddy that licked it, boy.
There you go.
He about to start some. Oh, my finger really hurt. This nigga gotta come off, y'all.
You get to say what you're trying to eat.
Huh?
You have yet to say what you're trying to eat.
Chicken. Chicken. Tacos.
Chicken taco.
Tacos. Pizza.
Okay. You want to play?
Burger.
Oh, you can eat the thing. Yeah, I want to eat Subway. Sit there too long.
There go that lightning. I mean, I don't know why I keep saying lightning.
What? What the fuck?
Don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me.
Maybe not. Maybe not do
Don't judge me. I got a toothache. My tooth kind of, you know, I'm talking kind of funny. That's what it is. I'm coming straight up off the.
We go play dominoes. Other than that, honking for, man? Man, that's the second person that honked at me for. I ain't even did nothing but.
Ain't nobody honking at you.
Okay.
You don't know how to drive. You driving too slow. You driving like Miss Daisy.
Oh, okay. I thought you driving slow, baby.
Babe, what? Oh, I'm tripping.
Well, I always do that. I don't even be by these cars, bro. And you drive more reckless than me. You would've got all up on that bumper, shifted lanes all day.
I know I drive reckless.
And can't be with nobody in the car with nobody else that drive. I don't even drive reckless.
Car been on the front of the camera.
You want so much.
Huh?
You want so much. That allows you to flip the camera, the screen camera forward. You still want them to put all the buttons in the front of the camera now. They move with the other side of the camera go. If you can flip the screen forward and you want the buttons in the front, what would they use for the other side of the camera?
Okay.
Alright. I feel like you wanted a lot out of this situation.
You got a little car show?
No.
Huh?
Say yo. What they honking? Man, it's like the third motherfucker.
I'm telling you, you don't know how to drive.
I'm not even doing nothing, bro.
Nah, you ain't that really true.
Like the third motherfucker, bro. Motherfucking gas tank up, probably trying to take gas tank.
Nah, gas tank ain't. Boy, now what they honking for?
Tire low. Shit, crazy.
You talking about tire low?
So ain't gotta be something. Gotta be something.
I think it's the driving. You probably driving too slow. You driving speed limit or something.
Bro, you are straight gas right now.
Nah, I'm gassing.
Straight capping.
I'm capping. I'm capping. Capping is for the cappers.
Capping is for the cappers. Capping is for the cappers. Bro, did they just hung too, bro?
Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, did they just hung too, bro?
Bro, they did honk at you.
Okay. Everybody now honking for no reason. So what we about to do is pull over and see what the issue is.
Boy, ain't no issue. What are you talking about? Ain't no, what you pulling over for?
4 people hunked the car, bro. And you sitting up here, I'm not about driving bad, bro. I know for a fact I'm not doing it.
Oh, Lord.
The man, she did.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
He gotta do too much. Look. He gotta do too much. Look at him. Look. Look.
Really, bro?
What? Bro, you do too much, bro. It wasn't even on there that long. Bro, this guy do too much, dog. Why'd you mess up my sign? Bro. Messed up my sign. I only got 4, 5, 6 hunks up.
You are child.
I'm only 20 hunks.
You thought I was gonna sit in the car that long and let 20 cars
But I said, see, Jason, he not know just like crazy driving us. So if somebody hunk at him, he gonna be like, bro, what they hunking for? I knew you was gonna be out cool about it.
Nah, after that third person, I'm like, bro, that they hunking me 2 or 4 persons just hunking for no reason. We finna pull up, bro. 4 people. Nah. I should've known. You didn't care. I look at the back window. I thought I had some spray paint on the window. I'm like, nah, she like to paint on cars and shit.
Nah.
She like to spray paint people's cars, so she probably spray painted on her own window. Honk in my car.
Nah.
Ain't window spray paint on the window though.
Y'all get the oh my nail. Y'all get the the vibe.
That's what you get, bro. And you got people hungry at me for no reason. That's what we doing now?
Nah, you wasn't driving good.
I was driving good.
Driving good.
Look. You feel like I would.
And y'all know what it is, man. Get with the brain. Can't stress it enough. Coming soon, tell them, man.
Coming soon, man.
Coming soon.
Do right, accomplish many accomplishments.
Coming soon, man. All type of colors.
All colors, man.
All colors, man.
We'll have it for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure, like I say, when they drop, man, make sure y'all showing y'all support. She put a lot of thought, she put a lot of hard work into this, and we about to put a lot of money and more hard work into this. So y'all make sure y'all support us, bro. Really.
What he said.
So, how many, but was you honestly thinking I was gonna sit there for 20 hunks?
I just wanted 20 hunks, y'all. I wanted 20 hunks.
You know,
but I said he's so cool, like.
that's your problem.
Come on.
Keep your head up, don't get fed up.
Stay true to them, to it. Keep it a routine, never a new thing. BJ, SQUADLEEGOOOO.